Good day, I'm going to make a short video how to set up a Nos system for your ATV. This is not to go faster, this is to scare away your competitors. So here's what you need for parts. Need a Nos bottle, energy bottle, bought in any local gas station. A valve, any old plumbing valve will do. A line. Some zap straps to secure it, and of course you need your Nos switch. So I will install it on this beautiful bike and show you the results afterwards. So here I am after installing the Nos kit. As you can see, the bottle zap straps on here very nicely. You can see how it shines. It's going to scare them all away. The big valve, this allows for up to a 300 shot with ease. And over here we have the switch hooked up. Just a simple boom, boom, and you're on her. Just hold it till the bottle empties. Don't worry about it. Any questions, just let me know.